We've been having some vehicle issues, and our Suburban's been making some funny noises, and my husband thinks it's coming from the drive shaft. So the boys are out here taking it apart. Let's go check it out.
So, see how nice that thing moves?
That's junk.
That's junk.
Hey guys, going out here to milk goats and check on my pregos. One of them, Dawn, is already past her due date, 2 days. But at this point, I just want her to wait for me because I got to go to work tomorrow. So hopefully she waits for me. That way I can be here to film it and watch it and make sure everything goes good. And there was actually something pretty cool that happened at work today. I work on a campus, and it has, big trees around it and everything, and a bunch of buildings. And we had a visitor today, a little bobcat. So he just kind of took a nap in a tree. It was pretty cool. So I'll show you guys that picture. Seriously, look at her. She's just trying to torture me. Dawn. Dawn. My luck, she'll have him tomorrow. The last day I work before the weekend. Lacey here don't look much better. Bagged up and big. Oh, girl. Maybe we'll get them on the same day. Her due date's in 2 days, though. Can you guys see all those big clouds around us? Here, I'm going to give you the... What? You know what that means? Those are dark. Getting a lot of big clouds. Dark ones. Which means we're getting excited around here for monsoons. Here in the desert, our rains come in the monsoon time. So typically that's around mid-June or July before it starts raining. But when it rains, it pours and it pours and it pours and it pours, and it lasts for about a month. But this is when we get our rains here in the desert, so we're getting excited. It's happening. It's starting. Whoops! What are you trying to do with that tire?
Roll on it?
I'm trying to roll on it?
Like this. But that. Can you hold up?
I don't think that'll work as a hula hoop. You wanna try it?
100 days without rain. I don't know if you can call that rain, but it sure is awesome.
It's starting to rain! Oh my goodness. Woot woot! I am headed to a Sadga goat meeting. And I'm leaving work. I have to work a little bit later today to make up the time. But lucky me, it's only like 107 degrees and I'm about to get into my non-air conditioned truck. So, goat dedication, y'all. It's a big pile of kitties. What are you doing, mamas? been working hard on their little nest. I think they're going to start attacking us. Derek put the new U-joint here. That went well.
And we need to put a new transfer case input shaft seal in. Specialty order part in.
He's gonna start her up. We'll see.
Like a weird sound there initially, didn't it?
Yeah. Sounds good. Well, that saved us like lots of hundreds of dollars having Derek do that. Sweet. So Emily came running in the house saying she found something cool. What'd you find there, baby?
Snake shredded skin.
Snake shredded skin? What kind of snake you think it is? Oh, there's more. Oh, look, the head.
This is the head.
Oh, crazy. Look at that.
Looks like the venom extreme.
Well, this has no rattle on it, so it's not a rattlesnake. So that's okay. Cool. Good job, Emily. I'm gonna go take it to Daddy. What you got there, bub?
Game cam.
A what?
The game cam.
A game cam.
Yeah.
So we were gifted this game cam from my Aunt Robin and Dawn. Thank you guys. And it's actually been pretty cool. So we've been putting it in different places around the yard and getting some pretty neat pictures, and we'll show you guys as we get some stuff, but we're gonna go put that out here. Lead the way, boy.
Ooh, that was a giant one.
We're taking it to the back 10.
Uh-huh.
What is that? Looks like a bird trying to make a nest. All right. Our chicken feathers.